Good morning, everyone. This is Anna again. So, I'm here with Coco today. So, maglilinis lang ako ngayon kasi 1 o'clock pa yung pasok ko. So, may time pa para maglinis. So, inaayos ko lang ang aking bedroom. Tiklop-tiklop lang ko, no? 2 days na yung nakatimbak-tambak dyan. So, wala na talagang tiklopin. As you can see, what? Nothing. You can see it. So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, nakuha pala namin itong bahay namin noong 2023 of November. So, magto 2 years na kami dito. So, yeah. Mahaba-habang proseso din yung aming naranasan dito sa pagkuha ng bahay. We have to deal with the bank, with the lawyer, with the agents, tas yung owner din ng dating bahay, may-ari ng bahay, and so forth. Plus, financial. And yeah, but now we're really happy that we got our house. At least di na kami nag-rent. We still have to pay monthly, weekly. But at least sa amin na yung bahay. Panoorin nyo na lang ako mag-vacuum dyan. Ang aking asong kulit-kulit. Look at her. Him. Him siya, guys. Him. Ako lang ba yung gano'n na laging nalilito sa him and her, lalo na pag may kausap na Kiwi or foreign, actually not foreigner, I'm the foreigner here, Kiwi or yung mga local dito, instead na him, lagi ko naisip she or so annoying. But yeah, that's me. Anyway, have a good day everyone, and thank you for watching. Bye.